Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Karen. If you're new here, welcome. This look I'm doing today is with the Huda Beauty Obsessions Palette, and this is the Amethyst palette. I'm a little late on this. I got this at IMATS, so I wanted to really try this, and it was a really good deal. It was like basically like almost half off. Well, it was half off, so it was a really good deal at IMATS, so I really like it. I didn't pick up the other ones. I wish I should, but you know, I really like the purple look. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel while you're here, and let's get on with this look. As you can see, so far I have already done one eye. For the sake of the video, I don't want to be too long. And next I will be starting off with the Huda Beauty palette. It's the Amethyst Obsessions palette. I will be starting off with that, and I'm pretty sure you all know what this what they look like. It look just like that. And so I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with a little bit of the Makeup Revolution concealer. And I'm also going to use the Pro Concealer from LA Girl. As far as the color wise, and it dries pretty quick. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that in together. And I hope you all had a good Thanksgiving. I did. I don't know if you all took advantage of some of the Black Friday deals. I did. I mainly just shopped online. And actually I purchased a new camera. So let me know what you think about this camera here, because it's a Canon. I'm used to a Sony, so it did take a little bit to get used to. So just let me know how the quality of this camera is. Okay, now what I'm going to start off with is the, I'm actually going to use this dark color in this Morphe's 15N palette, and it's this color right here, which is called Scene, because the dark color shade in this palette is not really that dark, which is this color right here, and I think it's called a Matte Plum. So I'm gonna start off, and I'm gonna actually start off with the dark shade first. And I think that's the trend now, is starting off with the dark shade first and then blending it down and actually layering it with other lighter colors. I like that, the way to do that. And basically I'm just like tapping this color in, and trying to get it all in my crease area. Now I'm going to go in with the Obsession palette Amethyst, and I'm going to use this dark plum. And I'm going to go on the outside edges of this darker shade, and I'm just going to basically go in circles and blend it out so the lines won't be so harsh. And from there I'm going to go in with the a smaller taper brush, and this is a Coastal Scent brush, and it looks like that. And what I'm gonna do with this, I'm going in with this Matte Plum shade here. If you notice I'm looking to the left, it's because my monitor's over there. I just want to make sure I'm in focus. And I'm gonna go over that color as well. And I'm just going to blend right into that. And actually I purchased this palette at IMATS Atlanta, and I don't know if you knew that they had IMATS in Atlanta this year, but also have a vlog on it as well, and the card be somewhere up here, I don't know where. But I did go, and it was a nice time. I really liked it. I was amazed at some of the different type of makeup artists that they had there, not for just beauty but also for artistic, and like, you know, your movie scenes, theaters type makeup artists. I mean, from everything from the costumes to, you know, the body paint, everything. It was really nice. Now I'm gonna use this lighter matte plum, and I'm just gonna go over all of that area here, and I'm just gonna sweep across here just like that. From here I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease here, and I am going to use the LA Girl concealer on this, and I will be using the color Fawn. And this brush I'm using is the it's from Royal and Lang Nickel brush, and this is called the number 10 Royal Soft Grip SG155 brush, and it looks like this right here. I don't know if you can see that, but the tip of it is very straight and it's very thin. I think they probably use this on stage makeup, I guess, but I really liked it, so I said let me get it. I think it was only like for like $2 or something. It wasn't that expensive. It was some good deals at IMATS, let me tell you. Very good deals. Okay, I will be using this Morph No Color Pop brush. Looks like that right there. And the shade I'm going in is this shade here. Is a shimmer shade. Look almost like it's a iridescence of purple, copper, and I don't know, other colors too, but it's very pretty. And I'm just gonna put this in my corner here. On this shadow here, I put that already on my lid, and then the next shadow that I'm going to add on would be the I will be using this shadow in the middle. It has like an iridescent purple, like a blue tint to it. It's real pretty, and it got a nice little sparkle to it. And I'm using the same ColourPop brush. All I did was just wipe it off. It seemed to work pretty good. These shadows are very, they're very soft, buttery. So I happened to like feel it and dug my finger in it. I didn't realize it was just that soft. So basically I'm just going to be blending these two together, and then I will be using, I'll go back to the same brush I had before, and I will be adding this shade here to my outer crease here area. And then I will go back in with this same brush here, and I will be using this color here. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add on this darker shade up under my eye line. Okay, and from here I'm going to go back in to the same palette, and I will be using this color here, and I'm put that up under my, gonna put that up under my lash line as well. Kind of smudge it in there. Okay, then I'm just gonna clean some of this up a little bit, and then I'll be putting on my lashes and my foundation here and my eyeliner, and we're gonna go from there. See what the finished look is. I'm done with my eyes. As you can see, it's purple. I almost match my shirt here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and I like to use the Clinique moisturizer right now because my skin get really dry in the winter time. So I'm just going to be putting that on. I'll get it all in my hair, especially around my nose area. Using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And this is in the shade 340. Oh my gosh, my eye is itching. I'll be using that. And this is a matte formula. It's called Matte Poreless. I used this before. I normally use 340 and 338. But I noticed they don't have 335 no more. And this shade is 330. And it's a little bit light, but I'm unable to find the other shades. So I'm going to give it a try with this one and go from there. Let me use this one. Actually, I'm going to use the foundation brush. This is my Morphe brush right here. I'm going to go ahead and put that on my face here. Forehead area. And it does look light, but it does we'll be warming this up a little bit, because normally when it's not summertime, I normally use a lighter shade anyway. So yeah, and I'm gonna go use my Real Technique blending sponge or beauty blender, whatever they want to call it. I'm using that to blend in this foundation. And this sponge is really soft. It's a little bit damp, but it's really soft. I like it. From there, I'm going to go and I'm going to use my Smashbox concealer. I haven't used this in a while. I normally use the ColourPop concealer, but I don't know why I changed up. I just thought I'd just change it up a little. Put that up under my eye area, my nose. Okay. Now I'm just going to go ahead and use the other end of this blender, and I'm just going to blend that right up under my eye area. A Earth 7, and this is the Amon Cosmetic foundation stick. I don't need to use too much contouring because I got this hair on. So, and if you have any questions about the hair, this hair is from NaBeauty. I forgot her name. I can't remember, but it was a pretty wig. It was recommended by another YouTuber. I have all her info down below, but she does a lot of wig videos. I really like it. And for my setting powder, I'm going to use the AJ Crimson's setting powder. I got this at IMATS. He was there. He was at the Friends booth, and he was really nice. I didn't recognize him because normally he has on a red jacket, but he didn't that time, and I didn't know. He was swatching everybody's hands with lipstick, but it was cool. So he just threw this in my bag, so I went ahead and got it. So I'm gonna, I'm gonna add this up under my eyes a little bit. He told me that this does not have flashback, so we will see. Because I've had used some other ones, and I've had some major flashback. Oh, it was terrible. It was terrible. And now I just need to wash it up. Yep. I need to go ahead and put that all up a little bit here. Forehead. I'm not for sure it's gonna be that noticeable, but yep, it's hitting tan on me. Get this all up under my eyes. Again, I'm just using a Black Radiance contour palette. You know, I'm pretty sure you all seen that before. Yeah, I'm gonna use this right here to darken me up here. Very flat. So I'll be using some of this gold here. My lipstick, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Mario Pedescu spray real quick. Pull that down. And now I am going to use the for my lips. I will be using the Ellery ColourPop Lippy. I'm going to be using the NYX Espresso lip liner. And that looks nice. Okay, I didn't want to do a bright color. I figured since my eyes were all of that. And I'm going to use the Ellery's gloss, and this is in Stilo. Okay, and this is my finished look. I hope you like it. Don't forget to rate, subscribe to my channel. The bell is somewhere down there. Yeah, I hope you like it. Just let me know what you think about it, and follow me on Instagram at Naturally2Speak, and also on Snapchat as Naturally Karen. So I do post on there as well. So thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.